Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am your maths teacher for class 7. Now open your maths book page number 117. Exercise number 8.1. We have already done question number 1 in the previous lecture. Today I am going to explain question number 3. We will do question number 3. Now open your maths Siva copy, draw margin line, mention date, exercise number. Firstly we write the question. Question number 3. Find the compound interest on rupees 5000 borrow for 4 years at 15%. We have to find compound interest on rupees 5000 borrowed for 4 years at 15%. Give heading solution. First we find interest of the first year. To find interest, we multiply principal by rate percent. Interest of the first year is equals to principal of the first year is rupees 5000. So we write 5000. Rate percent is 15. So we write 15%. We change percent into 100. So we write 15 upon 100. 0 cancel with 0. 0 cancel with 0. 50 multiplied by 15. Rough work. 50 multiplied by 15. 5 zeros are 0. 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 25. Cross. 1 zeros are 0. 1 fives are 5. Plus 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 50 multiplied by 15 makes 750. So the interest of the first year is rupees 750. Now we find amount at the end of first year. To find amount, we add principal to interest. Amount at the end of first year is equals to principal plus interest. Principal of the first year is rupees 5000. So we write 5000 plus interest of the first year is rupees 750. So we write 750. 5000 plus 750. Rough work. Plus 750. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 7, 7. 5. 5000 plus 750 makes 5750. So the amount at the end of first year is rupees 5750. Now you have to find the principal amount and the interest for second year. Now you have to find the principal amount and the interest for second year, third year, and the fourth year in same way by yourself. Now we have to find compound interest of 4 years. Compound interest of 4 years is equals to amount of 4 years minus original sum. Compound interest of 4 years is equals to amount of 4 years is rupees 8745.02. So we write 8745.02 minus original sum is rupees 5000. So we write 5000. In this expression, first value has a decimal, but the other value is without decimal. When there is no decimal with the value, according to the rule, we put decimal after unit value. Rough work. 8745.02. When we do addition and subtraction, we make sure that we write decimal under the decimal. Minus 5,000. We put 0 to balancing the digits. 2 minus 0, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. We write decimal under the decimal. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 0, 7. 8 minus 5, 3. 8745.02 minus 5000 makes 3745.02. So the compound interest of 4 years is rupees 3745.02. Its answer. Do your homework and submit it on coming Saturday. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.